We are herd animals. Like, we want the security of a leader who is confident in what they're doing and they're energetic about what they're doing. So if you're not confident in what you're doing and you're not energetic about what you're doing, you are going to find zero people to follow you and lay it on the line. And it all boils down to sales. Like, you are selling yourself and your idea, period. And you're selling your abilities as a leader, because everybody wants to work for an amazing leader. Because if you work for an amazing leader, you can win and you can make money and you can accomplish things that, normally by yourself you can't. So if you're out there going to try to build a company and you're like, oh, I don't need sales. Like, I'm a low key person. I can just relax and chill and my decisions will speak for themselves. Some people can get away with that. Some people can, especially after they've already got some momentum. At the beginning, when you don't have a business, when you don't have ideas and it's going to be hard, it's virtually impossible to recruit and bring on those 10Xers, bring on those people if you don't have the energy yourself, period. And then it's trial and error. Like, I wish that I could tell you, I wish I could sit here and tell you that there's a secret to hiring 10Xers. I wish I could. There is no secret. You bring people in and you let them go and you just see what they can do. And some people got it and some people don't. So I'm a hire fast, fire fast kind of person. I will hire somebody quickly, like half an interview. Okay, you're hired. Let's do a little task over here. That's a low risk deal. Show me what you can do. Let's do a little task. Show me what you can do. I'm going to give you X amount of money for a 2-week task. Bring it back to me. If they don't start the task, obviously, that's most people, they're done. If they come back with a well thought out task, but they just don't, okay, I wouldn't have made those decisions, then maybe I won't hire them. But sometimes you have somebody come back the next day and they got something pretty impressive and you're like, okay, this person has a sense of urgency. This person can make a couple decisions. Let's bring them in and give them a little bit more. And I think leadership is all about getting somebody in the door and giving them a little bit more and a little bit more and a little bit more until they reach that glass ceiling of, hey, this person they just can't do anymore. They've risen to the level of their incompetence. And you either, at that point, you let them go or you just accept that that's what you're going to get. But every single person in every single organization rises to the level of their incompetence. They figure out where they're incompetent and they stop right there. My job as a leader is to find people who have massive potential and maybe their level of competence is really high. Maybe they have the potential someday to run a big company. I'm gonna find that. And employees freaking love it when they're not stuck on an org chart somewhere for years making the same money. So if I have one piece of advice for somebody who, okay, I think I'm a 10Xer, how do I do it in my career? How do I make it? How do I find the way to make a lot of money? Work in a chaotic environment. Work for somebody like Nick, who in half an interview is going to give you a task, and he doesn't care if you're 21 or 85. If you do it well, he's going to come in and he's going to give you opportunity and opportunity to do more and opportunity to do more. So if you find like a super structured, non-chaotic environment, almost like a well-run family business that's been around 40 years, they're not in growth mode, or a Fortune 500 company that has been around for 30 years and there's the same business model. There's no reason for them to change anything. They're printing money. Why would they? And you expect to rise through the ranks and get opportunity and find, a different path. It's not going to happen. You have to find a chaotic environment, find a good leader who is into growth and wants change and makes quick decisions, and then just show that person what you can do. That's the best advice that I have.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.